also, in talking about how Pirates went all the way to hire Abdeslam Ouaddou, um, as you know, Pirates has a culture, and the culture at Pirates is that they keep their technical team that has been there for many years, maybe for decades, and that technical team has been there. And when Pirates hires a coach, normally the coach just comes alone, doesn't do like what other people are doing in Naturena, where Nabi he can bring his own goalkeeper coach, his own what, all the backroom stuff. At Paris doesn't work like that. You come there as a coach and you are given all the tools. Your job is to win. But then, if you look at the coaches that were linked to the job, for example, with regard to Pito Musiman, who's a South African coach, one African coach that is well celebrated and highly rated coach in Africa, Pito Musiman, was also linked to the Pirate job. Pito Musiman would not have managed to get the job there. And maybe people were linking him to the job based on the fact that he's a South African. He did the voice that he's around, he's available, um, and people know how highly he speaks of the chairman of Orlando Pirates. So you understand why people linked the coaching job at Pirates to Pitso Mosimane. The same goes to Rulan Mukwena, for example. Rulan Mukwena, his background, his family. So by virtue of being from that kind of family, that background, people already concluded that no, maybe this is the time um for Roland Mukwena to return to Orlando Pirates. So those dynamics were there, but then Pirates went to choose their man, Abdeslam Ouaddou, because I mean Ouaddou probably was willing to say, you know what, I don't mind, I can come there by myself and win you guys cups and leagues, even the Champions League if it's going to happen. you know, so maybe now we understand why Ouaddou was hired. It wouldn't be easy for Pirates to just let him go because of the two games that they lost. It wouldn't make sense for Pirates to let a coach that they work so hard to find. I mean, if you listen to one of the reasons why he was hired, in one of the newspapers, the chairman was talking that the fact that Abdeslam played in Europe played a big role for Pirates to have hired him, and also the fact that he's worked with youth before, and as you can see, Pirates is a youthful team, so they probably thought this coach will come in and fit like a glove to also help the young ones, as the team is shaping itself to be more of a youthful team. So those are the reasons why Abdeslam Ouaddou was hired. Another reason why Pirates chose Wadu is what the chairman said, that Wadu went all the way to strive to put money together so that he can get the coaching license. So he said that, oh, that means shows that this guy is actually passionate about the job. He's not just doing it because it was handed to him on a silver platter. No, he's working hard for it. So he's a hard worker. Discipline, the fact that he played in Europe, and also that he worked with youth. Those were some of the reasons put forward by Pirates. Not that he meant he won so many cups, not that he won what championship. No. Pirates, when they hire a coach, they don't look at those records. They look at you as a person. What kind of person, what kind of monster are you? So we don't know. We are yet to see what kind of monster is Abdeslam Ouaddou. But so far, all I can tell you that is that the guy has a bit of arrogance, but he does listen. I mean, look, he changed the lineup when Pirates fans complained about these players that he was putting, Bora Diopane and other players that are still, need development, or some of them are still new to the team. Some are still trying to, get experience and get get their ways around the team, because it's hard. It must be difficult to play for Pirates, so it won't come easy.